Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Viewers, welcome to Arabic course. Today's our topic is names of family members. Family members name in Arabic you say al asmaul usrati. So let's begin. So today's topic is family members names in Arabic, and let's begin. In Urdu you say Khandan, and in Arabic you say Asma'ul Usrati. Asma'ul Usrati. And you also can say Al-A'ilati. Al-A'ilati. Al-Usrati, Al-A'ilati, both used as a family. Both used as a family. The first one is father. The first one is father. In Urdu you say Bab, and in Arabic you say Abun, Abun, and also you can say Walidun, Walidun, Abun or Walidun, Abun and Walidun. The second one is mother. The second one is mother. And in Urdu you say Ma, and in Arabic you say Ummun and Walidatun. Both you can say both Ummun or Walidatun. Walidatun. The third one is son or boy. Son or boy. Ibnun, Waladun. Ibnun and Waladun. Ibnun and waladun. The fourth one is daughter. The fourth one is daughter or girl. In Urdu you say beti or ladki, and in Arabic you say bintun. In Arabic you say bintun. Bintun for daughter or a girl. And next one is brother. The next one is brother. In Arabic you say akhun, in Urdu you say bai. In Arabic you say akhun. In Arabic you say akhun, akhun. And the next one is sister. In Arabic you say ukhtun, ukhtun, ukhtun. In Arabic you say ukhtun. The next one is husband, husband. In Arabic you say zawjun. In Arabic you say zawjun. In Urdu you say that shohar. And next one is wife. The next one is wife. In Arabic you say zawjatun. Zawjatun. Zawjun is the love for use both for husband and wife. You can use zawjun for both husband and wife in Arabic use. The wife you say zawjatun. Next one is grandfather. Next one is grandfather. You say jaddun. You say in Arabic you say jaddun. Next one is grandmother. Next one is grandmother. In Arabic you say jaddatun. In Arabic you say jaddatun. The next one is grandson. The next one is grandson. In Arabic you say hafidun, hafidun, hafidun. And next and last one is granddaughter. Granddaughter. In Arabic you say hafidatun, hafidatun. So this is all done. So for more videos, for more lectures, subscribe our channel on YouTube. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.